Hello there. The government of Meghalaya has launched the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge for the most promising entrepreneurs of the state. If you have an innovation-based business or are an early-stage enterprise, Prime will assist and support you and help you with your challenges to get your business to the next level while participating in Prime's 9-month incubation program.
Rewards and benefits. Top 50 selected entrepreneurs will receive the following benefits. Business support grant ₹2 lakh for top 25 and ₹1 lakh for bottom 25. Recognition certificate awarded from Meghalaya Government and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Dedicated one-on-one mentoring with seasoned industry experts and professionals to guide and handhold the entrepreneurs.
Capacity building, regular boot camps, trainings and workshops related to entrepreneurial development in order to build a sustainable and growth-oriented business. Access to funding opportunities available under Prime such as grants, loans, capital ventures, etc. Access to markets, connect to buyers in and outside Meghalaya.
Free co-working spaces. Incubators are offered the benefits of co-working spaces in the vibrant Prime hubs at Shillong and Tura. Visibility and networking. Prime Hub has a strong network in both the local and national media as well as social media channels. Support on marketing and legal services. Assured assistance on a plethora of subjects such as logo designing, branding, accounting, website making, and legal advice on the establishment of your company.
Opportunity to collaborate with successful existing entrepreneurs of the state. Incubated startups will be eligible for startup tools. Exposure to global practices on entrepreneurship to the most promising startup during the incubation program. Bottom 50 will transition to the pre-incubation program subject to qualification.
The applicant should be an adult citizen of India. The applicant should be a domicile resident of Meghalaya. The applicant should have an existing business in Meghalaya and be able to show first traction or revenues.
The applicant should work on innovative and scalable business model, product, solution or processes that have potential to create employment opportunities in Meghalaya. In case if the applicant has an existing business or startup, then it should not be older than 6 years.
The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 4.0. Build your innovative business and make yourself and Meghalaya shine. Apply now. Visit www.primemeghalaya.com/CMECC. Application closes on the 15th of September 2023. Contact us for more details. Get incubated at Prime and take your business to the next level.
Uba poleng do habayakran bat kilat patay kubor. Ulaong bulapan pa wagajing dokumen banla ban pynkhlain ka Child Helpline Service kabagi padba ki phone number iway not kandai pra. Hagba ka sarkar kalamang ban thungkam hakikat saut ligi post niki kerdan kenang ban penyat renti kajing ajing syakri jong ka Child Helpline Service. Uli thu babaro syakata ya kania lakhmi tang da iway Child Helpline Administrator. Bat mentar ke batung kami ki khat saungut kan long kejing job ke bakrawe ke tenat ban pynkhlain ke rukom ai jing syakri ki khat sau tuli ki post ki bathamai ki kenthop iwe IT supervisor shpongut ki call operator iwe nong trei ban trei bon jat ki kam bar arngot ki security guard uba poleng do ulapan pa ke jing kermen bada ke jing thungkam shosho ki nong trei kumta ke rukom ai jing syakri kan stat bha bat ki call operator kan la shisha banerap haklenti ke babiang yakitu ke badan hap pedeng ke jing e Uba poleng do ule thu bahaga sarkar kala pentrei kambiang iaka Women Helpline iway pra iway. Baladep ban bu gitar gitar ke bathamai bat ki kor ki bor ke banerap bahaga ban lap ya ki call ke bayo pediang bat ban lap ru ika response system. Bala pentrei kambiang iaka website ban la ban ah jing syakri ke babahatam ya ki patba ka jela.
Women Helpline, which is 181 Women Helpline. And I would request you to visit the Directorate office because we have installed latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system. And also there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak. And these posts will help to make the Child Helpline Service effective. These will include the posts of IT Supervisor 1, Call Operators 10, Multi-Purpose Staff 1, Security Guard 2. It's a major achievement for this department because after the service was activated in 2019, there was just a lone staff, and you can imagine the success rate of such a service. So now that we have 10 call operators, it means the service will be faster, and complaints, if any, can reach through these call operators at the earliest. And also an IT supervisor with a minimum of 3 years experience in data management, process documentation, and web-based reporting formats. So this is a big leap forward for the department. Kani ka Child Helpline kadai na benta ki na thungkam ke jingira akaba kidon kanu ka diction shitom na do ka balong smart medical shelter, legal aid, emotional support, or guidance. Di nagbenta kini ki korok sumasok here jakasa kajing erap haliang kaan kajing kersan yaki bat kajing ilam lenti yaki apa kidon kajing smoke ngilap li kini ke service bat baru sikata kidon tang way Child Helpline administrator dari mentak sengi nasutuna aji kiban nga man itu IP ba ngila sanction sa Southly post nak bentar gani ke service kani ke helpline kapan kentok iway IT supervisor spongot ki panchim ya ki call iway multi-purpose staff but ngut ki security guard de ka Child Helpline number kadai iway not kandai pra the helpline number is 1090.
If you are more than 45 years and attained menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.